This pizza right here was cooked in this oven, the Gozney Arc XL. Watch this video and see how this pizza was made. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. It's the Pizza Guy John. In today's video, I'm going to be making a New York style pizza, cheese pizza in the Gozney Arc XL. Comment down below if you want to see the full recipe for this. It's a new and improved recipe that I did, but it's basically 48 hours. This dough did go a little bit longer, one extra day, but the day before I did use it. And now today is 72 hours, so we're going to be making a cheese pizza. So this dough ball is roughly around 300 grams. Like I said, it's been sitting at room temp now for a couple hours. Prior to that, it had been sitting in the fridge for almost 3 days or so. So fully fermented. Flour that I used was the all Trump, so it's not a Neapolitan flour, a little bit more high gluten. There is some olive oil and everything else in this dough, so it's going to be nice, crispy. It smells wonderful. So again, if you're wanting to see this full recipe, comment down below. New York style pizza, and we'll make sure to get that posted in the next couple of days. But the dough feels good, smells good. Alright. If you are looking to get some ovens as well, I got some links down below. Check those out. Well, this is 300 grams, so we should be able to get a pretty good sized pizza. This right here is about 14 inches or so. Going down with our sauce. Do about a ladle. 3 ounces and just a little bit more. Simple red tomato sauce. All right. And some low moisture mozzarella cheese. Do a pretty good handful. Alright, just like that. We'll get some of this cheese off. Alright, and using the Arc XL, a little bit bigger of an oven, so it's perfect for bigger pizzas just like this. And let's go. Alright. All right, and so we're gonna go ahead. Actually, we're gonna get this turned off just a little bit. We'll let that bottom set. And again, if you're interested in this dough recipe, this is my New York style recipe, 48-hour recipe. Comment down below New York style recipe or New York dough, and we'll get that uploaded here soon. All right, we'll go down on that there. Just getting that bottom nice and set. You can see. Yeah, this dough's smelling pretty amazing. So again, low and slow cook. We'll give it just a couple more. If you want to take a look, let's see that bottom. All right, so we'll go ahead now and we'll get this turned back on. And we'll do about middle. We're not trying to cook that crust super quick, but we do want to get a nice cook on there. Brown it up nicely all the way around. Oh yeah. Cheese is super bubbly, you could see that. But we just want to get that crust cooking. A little windy this afternoon. Cheese is gonna be, so you can see that crust looking nice and brown, be nice and crispy. Bottom is nice. So again, this was a straight all trumps flour, about 3 grams of olive oil, kind of helps out with that crispiness, gives a little bit more flavor. So yeah, it's a good flour for some New York style pizzas. And we'll give it maybe a couple more seconds on this side right here. Right there, crust is looking good. Alright, I think we're looking pretty good. So this is a New York style pizza. Let's get inside. Alright, here's the pizza. It's cooked in the Gozney Arc XL. Let's listen to this crust. Nice and crispy all the way around. Let's take a look at this bottom. Bottom is nice and brown all the way around. Looking pretty good. So I'm gonna let this cool down and then we'll come back here in a sec. Alright, now the pizza's cooled down. Let's go ahead and cut into this and let's take a listen. Nice and crispy. Alright, let's get this piece right here. Let's take a look at this. Nice bottom. Little flop, but let's go for this crust. Oh yeah. That's nice. So this is a cheese pizza that was cooked in the Gozney Arc. If you want to see the full video how I made this dough, comment down below New York recipe dough and I'll make sure to get that going. In the meantime, check out my Instagram with the Pizza Guy John and we'll talk soon.